Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel for a day-to-day analysis on internet computer. If you guys are enjoying this update, you guys absolutely killed it with the support on the last update. So continue supporting and I will continue to bring out these daily updates that you guys enjoy. So if we're looking at the overall markets, I'm sure everyone at this point knows that the entire market is reacting in a really positive way to the price of Bitcoin. Saw some massive mega bullish news for BTC, which of course is impacting altcoins in a positive way. And as far as ICP is concerned, it's not seeing those double-digit gains like we are seeing with maybe Solana, FTM, Near Protocol, but it's up 3.2%, and we'll definitely take that. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening on a day-to-day basis. I know a lot of you guys want these day-to-day analysis, and that is the main reason as to why I bring that. So before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price, $12.40, up 3.2% in USD comparative. But if we're looking at the BTC comparative side of things, it's down 3.1%. So right now what we're seeing is Bitcoin is outpacing ICP, and there's a lot of other coins as well that BTC is outpacing as of now. But the way the market cap is holding really nice, around $5.76 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 131.8 million. Not bad at all. But let's take a look at what really switched the market momentum. That's what I want you guys to be focusing on today, and then we're going to discuss some of the price targets that we could be aiming for in the immediate short term for ICP. So let's get into it. So one thing I want you guys to take a look at is, of course, the Bitcoin dominance index on a day-to-day basis. It's really important to not forget the dominance index, about 55.9%. Saw a little bit of a minor pullback in the dominance over the past few hours, to be specific. So that's that. If you're looking at BTC, so actually let's go back to the dominance. So dominance has been picking up. Let's pretty much even take a look at the BTC dominance for March 25th. The dominance has been in an upwards trend, but what we're seeing happening right now is BTC comparative, right? If you focus on sats, if you are accumulating sats and that's your main target at the end of the day, then of course you're down in sats right now if you do have ICP or some of the projects that are not holding up to par with this momentum Bitcoin has right now. But one thing I want you guys to understand is that everything, even though dominance has gone up, but when Bitcoin sees moves like this in USD perspective, the price will go up, and you can see this for yourself. A lot of projects have gone up with that. So if you're looking at Atom, or if you're looking at BTT, BCH, some of these are still probably lagging behind in Bitcoin comparative, just like ICP is. So that's something that's really important to understand. But a beautiful bounce for Bitcoin, was very much needed, and of course, this is obviously bringing in a lot of excitement to the crypto space right now. But let's take a look at ICP. So what you did see happen with internet computer, like I said, nothing crazy, no big spikes like we have seen in the past, which is totally fine. Totally fine. But let me extend this key resistance, which is at about $13.63. Let's extend this a little bit so you guys understand a little better. So what you're seeing is, again, that key support line that we discussed yesterday. Obviously we know the significance of that. So if you picked up some internet computer around this $11.24 just 2 days back, you are up about 13%, which again is a really good gain. And if you think that's not a good gain, then I would strongly encourage you guys to educate yourself with how crypto works. I think that's a really nice gain. But of course, right now, what you want to be focusing on is right here. You see this resistance. We do have resistance coming in the way of ICP right now, and it needs to clear this resistance. And of course, the buying pressure, as of now, this gives you another great outlook that, we're not seeing as much interest flowing into ICP as of now. So, some projects, if you're looking at, Solana right now, if you're looking at Rune, if you're looking at FTM, Near, these projects have higher buying pressure compared to ICP right now. So that's what we need to keep in mind. But the next main target still remains to be that $13.63. Once we crack past that, that's where I believe the fireworks will begin, and that's still a 10% gain from the current price level. So that's how I'm currently taking a look at ICP. I would love to know your personal thoughts down below. Where do you see ICP going at the end of the year, and what excites you the most of ICP, and where do you see ICP ranking in terms of its competitors, and where do you see it overall being at in the next 3 years from the time we're recording this update? I would love to know your thoughts down below on that. And with that being said, I'm going to wrap it up around here. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.